Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will instruct a dealer how to view and create notes within DecisionLender's front end. DecisionLender allows notes to be created and stored within the application for internal notes as well as notes to the lender. The notes can be sent via email or fax. How to view a note. Log into DecisionLender. You are brought to the landing page. From the My Apps page, open the application you wish to view by clicking on the application number. The application will open to the Decision page. Click on the Notes tab from the Decision Summary page. The Notes page will open, displaying any notes that are attached to this application. The type of message, the subject, and the sender's name will display, along with the date and time the message was generated. Under the Channel column, symbols will indicate the type of message. If you see a symbol with the letter I, this indicates that it is an internal message. If there is no symbol, it is a lender message. The envelope under the Status column indicates whether the message has been read. Read messages are indicated by a gray envelope. Unread messages are indicated by a red one. Under the Action column, you can choose to view the message by clicking on the magnifying glass icon. This will open the View Note page. The user may view the note, resend the note, mark it as read or unread, reply to the note, or click Cancel to return to the previous page. To the left of the Notes tab is the Search Criteria section. A dealer user may search for note by subject, channel, type, status, date, and/or time. How to create a note. Notes can be created for internal purposes or external purposes to communicate with the lender. The note may also be emailed and/or faxed. Once you are in the application that you would like to create a note for, click on the Notes tab. This will open the Notes page. To create an internal note, click on the green Internal Notes button. To send a note to the lender, click on the yellow Lender Notes button. For this example, we will click on Lender Notes. This will bring you to the Add New Note page. When a lender note is selected, the name of the lender will appear by default. Type in the subject of the note. The type is optional if utilizing a selection from the drop-down list box. Enter your comments in the comment section. This is a required field. If applicable, enter the email and/or fax number of the recipient if it is not already populated. Once you have completed entering the email address, hit the Enter key. Additional email addresses may be entered. Note: you must press Enter after each email address. You may preview the note prior to sending by clicking on the Preview button. Click on the Send button to send the note. The note has now been sent and will appear on the Notes page. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact TCI Client Support at 1-800-492-2001, option 3. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.